installing this wig. Now what I found is that well, this is not a normal thing for me, but my hairline on this side, it like comes forward, so a lot of times my ear tabs don't fit, and I'll have to like make an adjustment to my wig. Either I have to cut this part out and bring it down further, or I would just have to deal with this just not being covered. So I'm trying to find a solution so that I can continue to wear my frontal because I already installed. But on this side, like my hairline was starting to show, and it was like pulling on my edges, and I don't like that because I don't want my edges to fall out. So I was thinking of a way to get this flap to move up forward, and I did. So I want to show you what I did to do that, just in case there's somebody else who has like low edges on the side right here, but your forehead starts to fuck back here. So hope this helps. About to put a shirt on. I ain't waxed my armpits in forever, so I have a shirt on. So boom, I'm gonna show you. So I already did what I needed to do, but I'm gonna show you on a frontal what I did. Okay. All right, so this is an old frontal, right, that I have. And you know when you make your wig, you attach it to this end part in the beginning, and you attach it to the opposite end in the beginning. What I did was, because it was, this is the side the ear was on, right? So this would be this ear. So because it wasn't covering my full, like, if this was my hair, it wasn't covering my hair completely, I took and cut along here so that it was separate. I'm going to show you. I just took my scissors and I cut back here like that. And you saw how it fell forward, so it gave me more room to pull it apart, versus if it was still together, it would stay in the same place. Like there's no stretching this, but you can keep your wig on and stretch this. So that's what I did right here, is I cut it so that I can pull it. So I'm gonna glue this down and show you. And there you go. It's reapplied. I'm just about to put my scarf back on so I can go get some cantaloupes. And yeah, leave a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Why are my knuckles always so freaking ashy? Leave a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. And if you watched my last video, I appreciate it. Oh my gosh. It's stuck to me. Anyways, I'm a TTYL. Y'all be safe out here. Don't play. Don't sleep. Wash your hands. Brush your teeth. Make sure you're cleaning these streets. Period. Actually, you shouldn't even be in the streets. You should be in a house. So be safe in the house.